Here we are again. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Bad Boy 3 2020 model year. Elegantly aggressive style, forward-thinking features and traffic-slaying performance make Bad Boy the ultimate urban ride. This bike equipped with a SmartForm C2 Alloy frame, and reliable fork Lefty Rigid. And Shimano Altus high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano MT200 Hydro Disc. Cannondale Bad Boy 3 equipped with good tires WTB Byway. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.